In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a date column in Google Sheets, a skill that will help you easily insert dates into your spreadsheet, ensuring your data is as organized as possible. Whether you're tracking deadlines, birthdays, or other important events, being able to manage dates effectively can make your life simpler. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets and start a new blank spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to add a date column. Once your spreadsheet is open, identify the column where you'd like the dates to appear. You could choose any column. Let's say for today, we'll use column A. Click on the column header to highlight the entire column. This action helps to define that column specifically for dates, making your sheet more organized. Now, with column A selected, go to the Format menu at the top of your screen and select Number from the drop-down menu. This will bring up several formatting options. Choose Date. By doing this, you're telling Google Sheets to expect date entries in a specific format in that column, which will automatically standardize how each date looks, no matter how you enter it. Now that your column is set up for dates, you can start entering the dates you want. You can do this either manually, by typing them in the format you're comfortable with, or you can use Google's built-in calendar function. Simply double-click a cell in your date column, and a small calendar icon should appear. Clicking on this icon will open a calendar interface where you can choose the date easily without having to type it out. This is particularly helpful if you're not sure of the exact formatting style that Google Sheets requires. Another tip is, if you have a long list of dates to enter, consider using Google Sheets' autofill function to save time. Start by entering your first date in the desired format. Then click on the small blue square at the bottom right of the cell and drag it down through the subsequent cells you want to pre-fill. Google Sheets will attempt to understand the pattern based on your initial inputs and fill in the rest for you, which can be especially handy if you're working with consecutive dates. If your spreadsheet requires another form of date customization, or you want to add additional functions like weekday calculations or time, you can explore using functions like EUX today or now, which automatically update to the current date and time respectively. These functions can be very powerful in making automated Excel sheets that adjust dynamically. And that's it. You now know how to create a date column in Google Sheets efficiently. This skill allows for better data management, making your sheets more functional and aesthetically pleasing. As always, feel free to explore other customization options and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet organizing.